So today I'm making some delicious low-carb, keto-friendly peanut butter cookies. They are delish. The kids will love them. You will love them. It's something fun that you can make with the children as well. And it really has very simple ingredients. And we're even sneaking in some antioxidants with our Fruits Multi and our Veggies Multi. So first we're starting with some peanut butter, and we're going to put that into our mixing bowl. Now when you're choosing a peanut butter, it's best to choose one that's just peanuts. You don't want to add in extra ingredients and extra sugar when you're making this recipe. Now we also have our low carb sweetener. So this is sweetened with monk fruit, and I love this for baking. It's a fantastic substitute for regular sugar to keep our glycemic index down. And we also have 1 egg. Now, sneaking in our extra antioxidants, so our fruits and vegetables, believe it or not, in our Fruits Multi and our Veggies Multi capsules, we're adding that into the recipe, and the kids will not even know that it's in there. So if you've got children who don't like to eat their fruits and veggies, here's a great way to add in some of those extra nutrients and those antioxidants that they need. And mixing this all up. So make sure that you warm up your oven to 350 degrees, and this will be soon ready to go in. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of almond flour just to get the right consistency. You can kind of eyeball this, not more than a couple of tablespoons, and mixing this into your mixture. Now rolling our mixture into little balls and putting that onto our baking sheet and pressing down with our fork to make an X. And into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Fresh out of the oven, ready to enjoy. So great as a snack, great in the mornings, great for a pop of energy, fantastic for the kids, the entire family. And remember, there's fruits and veggies in here.